Good morning, class. Welcome to VPSC Learning again. I'm your English teacher, Madhulika Devendra. Class, as we have completed first explanation of first page of the chapter 8, A Flash of Light. Now I will discuss the rest story of the chapter. As you know, Valentine met a blind people on the way when he was going to his house, and this is the time of winter, and he find that the beggar is able to identify, distinguish the difference between two coin with the help of raised mark that is on the coin. So we will discuss it in detail.
Yes, page number 79, chapter number 8, A Flash of Light. Surely, sir, said the beggar, who was an honest man, you have made a mistake. You have given me a franc instead of soup. Class, franc is a big amount than soup. Well, means so is 1 rupees coin and franc is 10. Valentine was astonished, means Parishan. He was not surprised by the man's honesty, but by the fact that he could tell so quickly the difference between a franc and sou. Means, surely, sir, said beggar. Means, beggar said, sir, you have made a mistake. You have given me a franc instead of a sou coin. Valentine was astonished, means surprised how the poor man, how a blind man can distinguish. Distinguish means can find out the difference between a franc and sou. How did you know that I had given you a franc? Asked Valentine. Oh, replied the beggar, it is enough for me to pass my finger over it. This was like a flash of light in Valentine's head. Means poor beggar said that I can distinguish, means I can differentiate coin by by passing my finger over it. Means on the coin there was some mark, and the poor beggar can distinguish, can find out the difference between the coins with the help of marks that is on the coin. It was it was like a flash of light for Valentine. Means it gave an idea to Valentine. Valentine allowed the beggar to keep the francs, although it was a great deal of money in those days. As he continued his work, he thought of himself, if the blind can distinguish, at least touch a piece of money, why should they not distinguish a mark, a letter, or a figure? In short, they should be able to distinguish any sign so long as it is raised. Means Valentine is saying that if a beggar can identify, distinguish the difference between two coin by touching the raised design or raised figure, so he will be able to distinguish any mark, any letter or figure on any surface, that is any sign that is raised means उभरी हुई जो भी साइन है उसको वो टच करके समझ सकता है कि क्या चीज लिखा हुआ है. With this idea, Valentine took home a blind boy who he found begging at a church door. The blind boy became his first pupil and learned very quickly how to read from raised signs. With the help of money donated by the public, Valentine, however, was able to start a school for the blind. Means after this incident, Valentine took a blind boy who he found begging at the church door. The blind boy was the first pupil. Pupil means first student, and learned very quickly how to, means the boy was very smart, and he was quickly able to read the raised sign. And with the help of donated money by public, Valentine was able to start a school for the blind. Some years later, a blind man called Louis Braille, also a Frenchman like Valentine Hoyer, perfected a system of writing especially for the blind. This writing is called Braille. Braille script you know very well, some raised letter on a special type of paper. Braille is a special alphabet used by a blind. The alphabet is marked by raised dot of the stiff paper, meant hard paper, which blind person can understand by touch of their fingers. Louis Braille himself was blind and worked in a blind school in Paris. The system that he developed in 1934 was not used much until about the time of Braille's death in 1852. So class, it's enough for today. I will explain next part in any other day, means tomorrow.